Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make ranch dressing from a packet. Get ready to transform a simple seasoning mix into a creamy, flavorful dressing that's perfect for salads, dips, or even as a topping for your favorite dishes. We'll cover everything from gathering your ingredients to the final chill, ensuring you get a consistently delicious result every time. It's a quick and easy way to enjoy homemade taste without the fuss. To begin, you'll need just a few basic items. Grab one packet of your favorite ranch seasoning mix. For the liquid base, you'll want 1 cup of good quality mayonnaise and 1 cup of milk. Whole milk or buttermilk works best for a rich, creamy texture. You'll also need a medium-sized mixing bowl and a whisk to combine everything smoothly. That's all it takes to get started on your homemade ranch. Now for the fun part, mixing. First, empty the entire contents of your ranch seasoning packet into the mixing bowl. Next, add 1 cup of mayonnaise and 1 cup of milk. Using your whisk, thoroughly combine all the ingredients. Make sure there are no lumps and the mixture is completely smooth and uniform. Once mixed, cover the bowl and refrigerate the dressing for at least 30 minutes. This chilling time allows the flavors to meld beautifully. Your delicious homemade ranch dressing is now ready to enjoy. It's perfect for dipping fresh vegetables, chips, or as a zesty topping for your favorite salads. For any leftovers, simply transfer the dressing to an airtight container and store it in the refrigerator. It will stay fresh and flavorful for up to 1 week. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other fantastic deals. Thanks for watching, and happy dipping!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.